Hello, welcome to the last part of the flow through pipes, that is a flow through nozzles. That is, nozzle is a tapering mouthpiece fitted at the end of the pipes where the velocity of water is required more, that is, than as it converts the pressure energy into kinetic energy for firefighting or the mining and the power development, etc. Here you can have that is the tank, that is H, the head over the pipe, that is capital H, and V is the velocity of flow in the pipe, and D is the diameter of the pipe. The nozzle is fitted at the end of the pipe, that is, so that diameter at the outlet is small d, and velocity of the jet is small v, and AB is the length of the pipe, that is. Here you can have the letter AB is equals to length of the pipe, capital D is equals to diameter of the pipe, and V equals to velocity of flow AB. Then F equals to Darcy's coefficient of the pipe material, that is head of water under which the flow takes place. Then small v is equals to velocity of flow through nozzles, and small a equals to cross sectional area of the nozzle, and capital A is equals to cross sectional area of the pipe, that is. So with this you can have that is the formula. The velocity of the jet is equals to 2gh divided by 1 plus 4fl divided by d into v square divided by a square, that is in meters per second. Then power transmission through the nozzles, that is p is equals to wq into bracket h minus 4fl 2gd into a square v square divided by capital A square, that is in kilowatt. Then efficiency of the power transmission of the nozzle is power available at the outlet of the nozzle divided by power available at the inlet of the nozzle, that is wq v square divided by 2g divided by cap wqh, and v square divided by 2gh. Here hf equals to 4hf equals to h by 3, that is. Then diameter of the nozzle for maximum power transmission, or you can say that minimum diameter of the nozzle, that is. So the D equals to capital D raised to 5 divided by 8 FL raised to 1 by 4, that is. Then maximum power transmission P max equals to WAVQ divided by 2G. And these formulas are used to calculate the problems, that is. So you can have that is a problem. A pipe 100 mm in diameter and has a nozzle attached to it. The diameter is 50 mm. Then rate of discharge through the nozzle is 15 liters per second, and the pressure at the base of the nozzle is 60 kilopascal, and calculate the coefficient of discharge. Assume that base of the nozzle and the outlet of the nozzle are not at the same level, or of the same level, that is. Then let the given data you can take it, that is d is equals to 100 mm, or it is a 0.1 meter, and small d is equals to 50, that is 0.05 meter, and the discharge rate of discharge is 15 liters per second, or you can say that is 0.015 meter cube per second, and the pressure is 60 kilopascal, that is a 60 newton per kilonewton per meter square, that is. Then velocity of flow, V is equals to theoretical velocity of flow in the pipe, that is a V is equals to velocity of the jet at the nozzle. We know that area of the pipe is pi by 4 capital D square, and area of the nozzle is small a is equals to pi by 4 D square, and you can have that is a since the discharge is equals to continuity equation, that is a into v is equals to small a into v, that is. So you can find out the velocity of flow in the pipe, that is a into v divided by capital A, that is. So that is nothing but the 0.25 times v, that is. Then applying the Bernoulli's theorem at the outlet of the nozzle, so we can have that is the Z1 plus P1 by W plus V square divided by 2G is equals to Z2 plus P2 by W plus small v square divided by 2G. that is a P1 by W plus V to V square divided by 2G is equals to V square divided by 2G, because Z1 is equals to Z2, that pipes and nozzle are at the same level, and P2 is 0 at the outlet, that is. So velocity of the jet equals to 11.3 meters per second, that is. So we know that the theoretical discharge Q is equals to A into V, that is. So that is 0.022 meter cube per second, that is. Then coefficient of discharge is equals to actual discharge divided by theoretical discharge. So that is a 0.015 divided by 0.022 is equals to 0.68, that is. The next problem we can have, that is next problem, that is, so the pipe of 3.2 kilometer long and 0.9 meter diameter is fitted to the nozzle of 200 diameter at the discharge, that is at the discharge, and find the velocity of water through the nozzle if the head of water is 50 meters, and take the F equals to 0.006 for the pipe material. Here you can take the given data, that is L equals to length of the pipe, and D is equals to diameter of the pipe, small d equals to diameter of the nozzle, and head over the pipe, that is 50 meters, and Darcy's constant will be given, that is F is equals to 0.006, that is. Now you can find out the cross-sectional area of the pipe, then cross-sectional area of the nozzle, that is pi by 4 small d square. Then you can substitute that the velocity of water through the nozzle is equals to 2gh divided by 1 plus 4fl divided by d into small a square divided by capital A square, in meters per second, that is a 28.5 meters per second, that is. And here is the next problem, that is you can have, that is for your exercise, that will solve it in the next class.